everyone, welcome back to KN Aesthetics. Today we will be making this super cute frog hair clip. It's easy and perfect for beginners. For today's project, you will need green yarn, pink yarn, white yarn and a crochet hook. Now let's get started. Unlike many crochet projects, we won't be starting with a magic ring. Instead, we will begin by making a slip knot. First, make a slip knot and chain 9. Now we completed chain 9. Now skip one chain and complete the 8 simple crochets in each chain. Now we will make 2 increase in the last stitch. Now we will do simple crochet in every stitch. Now we will do 2 simple stitch in one stitch, that is called increase. Now we will make a slip stitch in the first stitch and then we will make chain 1 and make a simple stitch in the first stitch again. Now we will crochet simple stitch in every stitch. And we will make 4 increases in 4 next stitches. After that, we will make 5 simple stitch. After that, we will make 3 increases in the 3 next stitches. This is how our round 2 is completed. Kayu kung bahayo kita Nobi. completed. Let's move on to the round 3. For round 3, we want to make one slip stitch and chain one and make simple stitch in same stitch. After that, we will crochet 7 simple stitches and 4 increases. After that, we will crochet 8 simple stitches. Then we will crochet 4 increases in next 4 stitches. Then we will crochet 1 simple stitch, 1 slip stitch, and this is how our round 3 is completed. Our frog base is now taking shape beautifully. Keep your stitches even, count carefully, and don't worry if you need to pause and check your work. Crochet becomes easier with practice. Let's continue with the next steps and bring our cute little frog hair clip to the life. Let's make frog hair clips cute blush. For that, we want to make one magic ring and then make 6 simple stitches in the magic ring. Then make one slip stitch in the first stitch. Then cut the yarn and make same 2 blushes as per the process. make the frog hair clip's eyes. For that we want to make magic ring and make 6 simple stitches in the magic ring. Make 1 slip stitch, chain 1 and make 6 increases. Then make 1 slip stitch and cut the yarn. Make 2 eyes of the frog. Now stick the frog eyes and blushes to the frog hair clip base. Then make a smile of frog with the help of a black thread and stick a metal hair clip to the base of the frog hair clip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to KN Aesthetics for more crochet tutorials, DIY projects and handmade creations. Let me know in the comments what crochet projects you would like to see next. Have a wonderful day, keep crocheting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.